Hello everyone, I'm Tim Townley. Today we're going to do something a little different than normal. I normally do reviews on camera gear and products and stuff like that for videography, photography, that kind of thing. But today I got a special treat in the mail and I'm super excited about it and I can't wait, and I thought I would share it here with you guys. So let's take a look. It's a big box. Can anybody guess what it is? Well, let's take a look. That's how big the box is. Holy cow. Okay, so let's take a look inside and see. You might already know what it is because, yeah, well, maybe you've gotten one before. So I'm gonna take my trusty samurai sword from Japan. Samurai letter opener sword, and let's open this up. So just one piece of tape to open up this part of the box. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna be sitting so that you can see this. Oh, look at that! So exciting! I know that it's only about a week away from the unveiling of the new 2020 iMac, but you know what? I got this iMac, and yeah, I wasn't gonna wait for the 2020. I don't know what's in store for that. There's lots of people out there talking about the 2020, but I know that this is gonna do the job for me. This is the 2019 iMac i9 processor. And I'll put all the specs up in just a sec here, but let's finish this unboxing really quick here. Okay, let's take it out of the first box. That is really awkward. Put this one off to the side. Okay, so the next one. Let's put the chair over here. So on the top here, really quick, easy release. Are you listening? Oh, that is sweet. So here we go. So excited. Okay. First, on top, let's take a look. I think this is the keyboard. Yep, there's the keyboard and mouse. Here we go. Check it out. Oops! Got it just in time. Okay, so keyboard and mouse. Let's take a look at that later. We got the power cord. We got little manual stuff. Probably sticker in there as well. There's the mouse. There's the box and stuff. Oh, so sweet. Apple, you are so good at packaging. Holy cow. Okay, let's take a look here. So the easiest way, I think, is just pop off the top here. Go, let's throw that over there. And then, oh, sweet. Okay, so now, I guess we just slide this out. Let the box go. Go like this. Okay. Pop off the side. Open it up. Here's the power cord. Power cord. Styrofoam, other stuff, other packaging. Need that. Okay. So I should probably tell you why I got a new one, because I have an iMac already. Right now, the iMac I'm running now, let's take a look, see here. I think it's 2013. Yeah, it's the late 2013 iMac, and it has a 3.4 quad-core i5 with 24 gigs of RAM in it right now. I upgraded the RAM in it. I'll be putting more RAM in this one as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison with some renders of some 3D, so you kind of see what the power difference is. That's one of the best ways to test it. There is a lot of other YouTube videos out there doing benchmarks and stuff like that. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do what's practical for me. I do 3D graphic rendering, I do visual effects stuff, and I also do video editing, of course, and photo editing. So I'm going to kind of compare a few of those in later videos to show you the differences between the two computers before I sell that computer and get rid of it. And then this will be my workhorse computer here. So here we go. Let's take off this part. By the way, if anybody's wondering about this shirt, this is an I'm Out Johnny shirt. This is not, and it's volume 2. So check that out on YouTube. On my channel, I do have a link to the full video there. It's a film I worked on. It's really cool. Check it out. Lots of stunts in it. Lots of swearing. A few little small effects and stuff like that, and really good performance from the stunt actors. Okay. Lots of peeling here. There we go. Beautiful. Brand spanking new. Take that off. Don't drop it. Take that off. And we are good. That is the unboxing. That's the unboxing of the 2019 27-inch iMac with an i9 8-core processor. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna put the specs up. I can't think of everything right now, but there it is. Hope you guys liked it. Tell me what you want me to test on this so that you have a better idea before you buy one. And is it worth it for you to buy a 2019 still in 2020 when the new 2020 is coming out? Ask me and I will test it for you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.